everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and welcome to my 2024 setup. So 2024 is a little different because I am taking a big old social media break in 2024, but I am so excited to bring you these setups and these monthly plan with me's, regardless if I'm taking a break or not. I am finishing all of them before the end of 2023, so that way I can still give you all setups for 2024. So the first setup that I have is obviously my main pages for 2024. These are my annual pages. And if you can't tell, I am doing a theme in 2024. And that is getting rid of my washi tape. That's basically the underlying theme. So I spin a wheel for every single month. But this first setup, I wanted to do a rainbow theme just because the rest of the setups are going to be based around one color. So this one I wanted to have a little bit more fun and kind of reflect all of the future colors that will be coming in all of these Plan With Me's. So I decided to go with a rainbow theme for the beginning of 2024. And as you can see, I do have a lot of rainbow washi tape. So this is going to be such a fun setup because one, I am using my stuff. I need to get rid of items. I need to. I have bought way too many washi tapes over the years. I don't use enough washi tapes in my setups. So I thought that this year would be the perfect year to really go all in on my washi tapes. So I'm not doing any sort of themes or anything like that. It is strictly colors and washi tape. So as you can see in my first page, the entire cover page is washi tape. That is how every single month is going to be. But when I get into everything, it is not exactly helpful to have washi tape covering every single page. And it's time consuming. So instead of that, I am just using the washi tape sparingly on these next few pages. So we have my feature log, which is obviously very important and helpful for me to see what is coming throughout the year. I use the 5mm washi tapes to differentiate each month, and those future log stickers are from my shop, and you can get them as a digital download. The next page I am doing is a 24 in 2024. This is one of the staples of my collections. I do this every single year. It's just 24 things that I would like to do in 2024. In 2023, I put things like go apple picking or go to a Mets game. It's like stuff that I'm already kind of planning to do, but it's something that I really enjoy. So one of the things that I do want to highlight is I do have a lot of washi tape scraps in this entire setup. And I got this idea from Joshi, who I think in a recent video mentioned that she got it from someone else. But I did decide to do a washi tape graveyard. And one of the things that I am using, I'm putting the graveyard in the back of the notebook. And then what I plan on doing with that graveyard is kind of doing a little bit of journaling back there. So I have space in the back where I will... in my 2024, I'll just kind of talk about overall in 2024, how that went. I have a page for January, for February, and so I'll do a little bit of journaling with those washi tape graveyard pages. This next page is my home projects. I do own my home, and I do a lot of home projects. I recently just finished my barn door. For those that have been around a long time, you already know how long it took me to do that barn door. So I was very excited. And here you can take a look at the washi tape graveyard that I have setting up. So I do a lot of home projects. The next page I have is my medical reference. So I did this back in 2023 and I loved it. So I have a color code for each person in the family, and then I can mark off what day of each month any sort of medical appointments are happening. For example, I put my dog grooming, I put my dog's vet, I put the cat's vet, I put my own medical appointments and my partner's medical appointments as well. So I have a space January through June. I have each of our names, and then I have the date in the medical appointment / follow-up that is needed for that particular appointment. I don't show that in this particular setup, but I do show it in the flip through. So if you are interested and want to see how that and the body stats page work, you can pause it when I do the final flip through of these pages. But I did not show it in this setup. One of the things I am trying to work on is really just using these notebooks for me, myself, and I. So I did film all of the setups, but I'm not really going into how I'm using them. I've done that so many times over the years that you can see that I don't just set up these pages for funsies. I really do try to use my notebook to its fullest extent. Sometimes those pages don't work out, but more often than not, I am filling out these pages, and I've been showing that for years. So if you are ever interested, you can go visit my Instagram, where I do post after the pen videos and things like that. So that is my entire 2024 setup. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're excited for the rest of my videos in 2024. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.